how to download Riot client. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up any of the browser available, for example Chrome, and you can basically go ahead and download one of the Riot games. So you can search for Riot and hit a search and you will be finding this particular website right here. Open it up and go ahead and look out for the game that you would like to download first. So for example, if you'd like to download this game right here, you can just go ahead and look out for download option or something like that. And once the application is downloaded, you will be finding the Riot client also being automatically downloaded on your device, and that's it. So you can basically log in after that. And that is it for today's video. You may also follow the same process if you would like to head over and download the Riot client on your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.